Hello, what's up? It's August 23, Saturday, 8 p.m. So, pauwi na rin ako ng bahay. So, pakita ko lang yung office dito sa ayun. So, I just wanna say, ano ba? Wala. Check ko lang to sa YouTube, no? Itong araw na to, ang moment na to, na to my future self, watching the YouTube. You're doing good and keep grinding, keep working. Uh, keep learning. No, should be more wiser than who you are today. So maybe next month, next year, or 2 years, or 3 years, or 5 or 10 or more, God willing. So how do you see yourself? No, and as of now, I'm a project manager. So thank God for this opportunity. And started as a delivery boy of soft drinks and Pepsi Cola. And I become a janitor, a building maintenance crew ng Jollibee and McDonald's, and then become a member of the band for 10 years or more than 10 years. So then immediate na matapos yung pag-aaral mo through college, then nag-work ka sa construction for 7 years, no? Plus 4 years, so it will become 11 years. So yun, tingnan mo lang yung sarili mo ngayon. So ano ka ngayon sa in the future self. So ano ba yung mga goals mo? So, as of now, nasa week 9 kami, and look at my back, no? Schedule of 9 months and 8 months. Nasa week 9, so ang target natin is from 9 months is uh, 8.10%. Ang actual natin na accomplishment is 8.12. So 0.2%, 0.02% ang ahead natin. So we're on schedule sa 9 months. So sa 8 months naman, siyempre medyo behind tayo ng let's say 1 day. So ano yung mga catch up natin para sa schedule. So meron tayong gagawin na like the parallel actions, equipments, kukuha tayo ng ibang scope na pwede nating i-parallel na habang ginagawa natin yung zone 1, zone 2, at yung second floor ng zone 1. So ganun. So plus yung may maps, pasok yung maps natin while structural is ongoing. So kukuha tayo ng puntos doon to catch up on a schedule to avoid project delays. So yun, looking forward to your future self, God willingly, no? And help mas mag-improve yung way of thinking, way of living mula ngayon sa video na to. So let this video be a reminder to yourself na kaya mo yan. God is in control. God is always on our side. Tayo pababayaan. In this very moment, I still believe in God that will protect my family, protect me, and everywhere I go. My way of thinking, my way of life. And God is in the center of it. No. So yeah.
Good luck. Future self.